What's the meaning of barium meal? Barium meal. Barium meal.
Barium meal. Barium meal. A barium meal is a medical diagnostic test that involves the use of a contrast medium called barium sulfate. This substance is mixed with water or another liquid and consumed orally by the patient, who is then subjected to X-ray imaging or other imaging techniques like fluoroscopy. As the barium sulfate travels through the digestive system, it coats the stomach and intestines, highlighting their contours and structure. This makes it possible for healthcare professionals to identify potential issues such as ulcers, blockages, or tumors. Barium meals are commonly used to diagnose conditions like gastroesophageal reflux disease, peptic ulcers, and inflammatory bowel disease.